Yo, what is up, all you beautiful credit repair business owners? In this video, we're going to be talking about 3 big things that you can get to get you clients for free. So 3 big strategies that will get you clients for free. So stop paying a middleman, stop paying a consultant, stop running Facebook ads. This is what you want to do if you want to be able to get credit repair clients for free. So like I said, three simple topics. And before we even get into this video, if you need more help or if you just want to expedite and truly scale your business, click the link down below and schedule a call with me, because I'll be more than happy to break it down exactly what you need to do in your business in order to truly scale it. So let's break this down really quick. 3 biggest things. First, we're going to talk about social media presence. Second, we're going to talk about referrals. And third, we're going to talk about my secret networking formula. So first, social media presence. Guys, social media is beautiful. Everybody's on social media right now, you know? Everybody's on social media, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. I preach about this all the time, especially YouTube, because the reason, it's right over here. The reason why I preach about YouTube so much is because YouTube, it pulls up people that are literally looking for your services. So for example, if somebody looks up on how to get rid of student loans on their credit, they're gonna look up on Google or they're gonna look up on YouTube. Okay? And because running ads on Google is very difficult because it's very, very touchy. Only I know the secret sauce. Schedule strategy session. What I'm trying to say, don't get to that yet. Don't even run ads yet, because chances are if you're watching this video, I mean, you shouldn't be pushing Google ads just yet. You need to be able to get the fundamentals down. Like I said, social media. Everybody's on social media is the best way of connecting. I work with so many people, and everybody tells you that as soon as they implement it simply by optimizing their social media presence, everybody's social media's presence that I optimize, instantly, like that, they get more clients. It just happens that way because, like I said, everybody's on social media, and that's the best way of getting clients. And referrals are super easy to close. But what I'm trying to say, the first biggest thing that you want to do is optimize your social media presence. And if you need help optimizing your social media presence, you can do 2 things. Schedule a call with me, because I'm more than happy to help you, or go to my Facebook. Okay, go to my Facebook, you click that little banner, facebook.com/natblade. Once again, facebook.com/natblade, NATBLADE. Then you click on my banner. As soon as you click on that banner, there's a couple of links, like 3 or 4 links. Like one of the first ones is called the Credit Repair Blueprint. It's a quick freebie, maybe 20 slides that teach you exactly how to optimize your social media presence, turn into a powerful lead magnet, so that when you're just doing simple things like commenting and liking, doing whatever you do on social media, people are inherently nosy. So when you comment on someone's post, chances are they're gonna look at your profile, and chances are when they check out your profile, they're gonna see credit repair, because you're gonna blow up credit repair completely on your social media. And as soon as you see something like credit repair on your social media and they actually need it, they're gonna contact you because they trust you, because they're either friends with you or they saw you there. And plus, you consistently post on your social media to prove that you're trustworthy and and so that you can actually provide results by, like I said, posting on your social media like Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. I can talk about hours on simply YouTube. I can talk for hours on simply Instagram and Facebook. Like, I love it. But let's get more to the point of this video. So first, social media. Second thing, we're gonna talk about referrals. Guys, referrals are the easiest way to get more clients. Guys, it's so easy. Realistically, if you have a successful, and this goes around with any service-based business, to have a successful service-based business, and not just successful, but to truly have a powerful, successful social media, to have a powerful, successful business, service-based business, 70% of your clients should be referrals, and the other 30% should be cold outreach, because that other 30% cold outreach fuels your referrals to come in the future. So referrals, very big, and you need to be able to systematize. You need to be able to automate your referrals coming in. So you need to have systems in place that ask these people for things like testimonials, video testimonials, and referrals, so that you don't have to track down everybody. You should have automated emails, text messages, and voicemails. And if you need help with automations like that, I have a CRM that completely is just built out for credit repair people. Like, CRM is quite literally built out for onboarding new credit repair clients literally while you sleep. So if you need that, schedule a strategy session down below in the description. What I'm trying to say is you need to have an automated way to ask for more referrals and be able to get those referrals by consistently providing them with value, by consistently reminding them to give us a referral, and to remind them, hey, we give you money if you give us referrals, you know? And a couple other things, like one big thing that our CRM does is that as soon as these active clients, as soon as these clients become a client, it instantly sends them into a Facebook audience, and in that Facebook audience you can send them retargeting ads to send you out to more testimonials or referrals. But we're not getting into that, it's another video. So like I said, social media presence, make sure it turns into a powerful lead magnet. Second thing is referrals. Make sure you're consistently getting more referrals to fuel your business even more. And the third thing, guys, the third thing here. So like I said, like I suspense the things. So social media, we got the referrals, and the third is the networking strategy. So I'm gonna cut straight to the chase. I already did all the work for you, and because what I did is I connected with a bunch of people all throughout the country. And as soon as a lead, well, not necessarily, I don't like to call it a lead because lead means you have to chase them, and usually the unquality for the people they buy. But as soon as somebody comes to a real estate agent, or as soon as somebody comes to an auto dealership and they find out that they can't get approved for a loan because their credit is shot, that person, that so-called lead, let's call it so-called lead, that person's instantly sent over to you. So let's pretend that lead goes over there and they find out they can't get approved for their auto loan, for their dream car. Let's pretend that they just press a button. Well, kind of how it is. As soon as they press a button, that lead would instantly be transferred over to you for you to close. And how we have it set up is that as soon as that lead comes over, we have them schedule a meeting, or we have them just call you right up during business hours. Whatever's easier for you. Every business is different, obviously. But that's also included our CRM. That's what we do. So schedule a call with us. But what I'm trying to say is networking with people, going out, like doing what I'm doing right now, going out to bars, going out to restaurants, going out to, I don't know, where would you think I do know. let me answer that. I do know. But where do you think your target market is? So if you're looking for people that want to fix their credit to buy a house, where do you think you would go? Car dealerships. If you're looking to fix credit for people that want to buy a house, network with real estate agents. But like I said, we already did all the work for you. Even simply going to bars, talking to people, you know, when I go to a bar, I don't really go to bars to drink. I mean, I like drinking, but I like networking and making money more. So what I do is I specifically have a goal in my mind. I go to bars, I go to places, I go to parties, I go to things like that, networking events. I go to a specific goal of mine is to network and to tell people exactly what I do. I go into bars, I tell people like, hey, I'm a consultant. I teach people how to grow their businesses. I also do a lot of social media. I also do a lot of project management, and I go into everything that I do, and I really try to impress them. Like, I'm super passionate about what I do. I can talk about what I do for hours and hours and hours and end. So I never get stuck up on what to say. If you're in this credit repair business, you probably know a lot about credit. And chances are, if you've been doing this for at least a little bit, chances are you're passionate about what you do. So what I'm trying to say is network and tell people what you do. And the way to tell people what you do is really talking to them. And social media, which is why social media is great. Like you can, all right, so realistically, let me break it down for you. You go to a bar, you can talk to realistically to have good conversations, deep conversations. I can say in a night, 3-4 hours, you can talk to maybe 10, 15, maybe even 20 people and truly tell them what you do, and maybe exchange business cards or exchange phone numbers. Social media, that's where you start to scale, you know? That's where you really start to scale, because thousands and hundreds and thousands of people all over the world can see your social media. Whereas in the bar, you can only talk to one person at a time. So if you're truly in it to scale, well, pick up the clients around you. I mean, network with people, absolutely. When you're just doing your thing, you know? But truly to scale, get the fundamentals down, turn your social media presence to a powerful lead magnet, provide a lot of value, and people will naturally be drawn over to your page. And then when they're naturally drawn over to your page, you will convert them with the lead magnets that you have in place, with the CRM that you have in place, and just by having them trust you. It's not instant like that. Well, a lot of cases it actually is. But what I'm trying to say is social media is a powerful thing. when you have the fundamentals down, then you can start scaling, then you can start running ads. So the basic concepts what I want you to be able to get out of this video is get the fundamentals down. So for example, social media, like we just talked about, social media, turn to powerful media method. Get your social media down, get your referrals down, put systems in place to make them all automated. If you need systems in place, check out my CRM down the link below. All you have to do is schedule a strategy session, and I'll tell you exactly what's in it and word for word what it includes, everything. You know, it's amazing. I'm so passionate about it. Third thing that you need to get the fundamentals down is be able to talk to people, be confident about what you do. That's what I'm saying. Network, go to bars, go to places, network, talk to people about exactly what you do, so you can get a little confidence in talking about exactly what you offer to people. But long story short, I don't want to make this too long of a video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you learned something. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, just all you have to do is comment down below, and I'll be more than happy to answer that in another video. Peace out, guys.